Thank you, candidate number 4. Thank you very much, candidate number 4. Let's make way to our female candidate number 5. Number 5. I only have 20 seconds left. Thank you very much, candidate number 5. Next is candidate number 6. Now only have 20 seconds left. Thank you very much, candidate number 6. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 6 female candidates. Candidates, you may now prepare for your white bikini. So let's move on to our male candidates, starting with candidate number 1.